We're here at Springfield Town Center for the installation of the INOUT Springfield Public Art Engagement Project. Arts Fairfax designed this project with Epigram Artists team to engage the community and get feedback about the role of the arts in Springfield and Fairfax County. We'll be using that feedback to inform the Master Arts Plan, which is planning for arts, amenities, and public art throughout the county. We're excited to be able to engage with the communities through this project. INOUT Springfield is an interactive public art project, and it has 3 different interactive components. We have a photo booth app which asks community members a series of prompts to get at their role in the community and their opinions about the arts in Fairfax County and Springfield specifically, and manipulatives of baubles that you can respond to similar questions from the photo booth app. All of the participants become part of the community photo gallery, which is a projection of all of the selfies gathered through the photo booth app and uploaded through the online website. And the gallery is really a microcosm of Fairfax County and the Springfield community and demonstrates how this project is both intergenerational and multicultural. INOUT Springfield will be installed here at Springfield Town Center until August 23rd. If you'd like more information about the INOUT projects or the arts in Fairfax, please go to our website, www.artsfairfax.org.